Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file income tax returns as a student. First, determine if you are required to file a tax return based on your gross income and any taxes withheld. Next, gather all your essential documents, like your W-2 forms from employers and 1098-T forms for tuition. Also, collect any other income statements you might have received. Finally, identify your correct filing status, which is crucial for calculating your standard deduction and overall tax liability. This initial preparation will set you up for a smooth filing process. Now, let's dive into the essential forms and deductions. You'll likely use Form 1040, the main federal income tax form, and potentially Schedule 1 for additional income or adjustments. As a student, you might qualify for valuable education credits, such as the American Opportunity Tax Credit, offering up to $2,500, or the Lifetime Learning Credit. Additionally, remember that you can deduct up to $2,500 in student loan interest, significantly reducing your taxable income. These benefits are designed to help offset educational expenses. Next, let's discuss your filing options and crucial deadlines. You have several methods to choose from: e-filing using tax software, which is often the quickest, or working with a qualified tax professional. You can also opt for traditional paper filing. It's vital to remember the general tax filing deadline, typically April 15th. Missing this date can result in penalties. If you need more time, you can request an extension, which usually grants you an additional 6 months to file, though taxes owed are still due by the original date. Finally, let's talk about avoiding common errors and where to find help. Always double-check every piece of information on your return for accuracy, especially Social Security numbers and all income figures. Common mistakes include selecting the wrong filing status or miscalculating deductions, so be thorough. If you need assistance, consider utilizing free tax preparation services like VITA or TCE, which offer help to eligible taxpayers. The IRS website also provides numerous resources and FAQs to guide you through the process, ensuring a correct and stress-free filing experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.